Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's morning, Saturday morning, and I just wanted to do some unboxing because I started cleaning the house and I realized I need to use the stuff that I actually bought. So I wanted to do a quick video and then just unbox the stuff so that I can use them and show you the later or the after product. This video is actually going to be unboxing and a bit of cleaning around the house and doing my spice cabinet because I got some good stuff for that. That's what we're going to be doing today. So to start off, where do I start? I'll start this way. So guys, Woolies, it's such a big box for what is actually inside. Like what is inside is not even that big, but obviously I had to open it because I had to make sure it's what I actually want before coming on. So I did open it because I received it earlier this week. But this is what's in here, guys. It's so beautiful. I got this at Woolies for $2.80. Yes, I got this at Woolies for $2.80, and yeah, so this is quite a mini haul, but definitely I got this at Woolies for $2.80, and I was gonna use it in my bathroom. I'll insert a picture of how I plan to use it, but yeah, what's left here is all these protecting thingies. But I guess why they did that is because it is a basket, so it does get sensitive. For example, this box looks like, okay, so it looks like this, but obviously transit and everything like that does affect the quality of the product inside. So that's why maybe Woolies put so many protective thingies. Okay, the next one that I'm gonna go with is actually what I'm using now to keep my phone where it is. Absolutely love it. My best friend bought this for me. I'm really trying it out, investing into this thing and just trying it out. I'll definitely use it for longer. I'll use it for quite a while before I invest in anything else, because I just, slowly but surely I'm going to be doing a lot of videos, and I needed a tripod thing, so that's what I'm using. It's from Takealot. So this one is from Takealot. Not sure what it is, but I'll try and look for it and then link it down below. So the basket is from Woolies. That is from Takealot. Another thing that I got from Takealot was are you ready? I got these. Okay, let me take out this one. Okay, yeah, I just didn't like what's inside. It's just a label or whatever, but I got these. This is what I'm gonna use for my spices, guys. My spices will go in here, and then I'm gonna later label them. And yeah, I'm actually gonna go to Hemingway's today to buy a chalk whatever, I don't know, marker or whatever, and try to label these ones. I don't know, tell me, must I label them here on top or here or here? I don't know, I haven't decided, but it's a pack of 12. Let me not break them now, but it's a pack of 12 goodies, and then all my spices will go in here, and I'll show you one. Or maybe the progress, because I still need to label them and all of that, but I'll definitely post on my Instagram once everything is done. That's one other thing that I bought, or I got this week. Also, my best friend bought that. Next, I don't know if you remember from my moving video, I told you guys about the fact that I was moving and I was going to change my towels and my bedding to be white. So that's what's going on here. I've got these white towels. Yeah, that's actually the color, that color. like white towels. And yeah, so that's I think a hand, not a hand towel, but use a hand towel or body towel, don't know, I haven't even checked. And then this one is another one. And what's gonna happen today, we're gonna go into Bob's. Do you want me to take you with? But yeah, we're gonna be going into Bob's, and I'm gonna get more towels because I have a voucher from there. And so I'm gonna get actually, yeah, towels, bath towels, and also face cloths. Yeah, so this is how this thing looks, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, this is also for my guests when I have visitors and all of that, because I like my visitors to then feel like they're clean and all that. I also got these pillowcases from, they say White House, but they have many names. It's Bed Bath Home, I think. Bed Bath Home. Yeah, but you also see they would write White House or Continental or something like that. Like that's the three names that they use. But I got pillows. I've got, what is this? It's a fitted sheet. It's a fitted sheet. Then I've got a duvet cover set, and then I also got a flat sheet from them and more towels. So it's like more towels, and yeah, so that's it, guys. My house is gonna look so beautiful. But anyway, now I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen and cleaning the rest of the house, just making sure that everything is clean. Then I think around 1 or 2 o'clock we're gonna be going to the mall just to get a few stuff that I want. And yeah, definitely gonna be taking you with. And guys, I don't know, this thing, yeah, the weekend, they move so fast because it's already Saturday and it's already this time and it's already everything. Now I must move fast and I must clean and I must do everything. But yeah, I'm gonna try and link everything that I bought down below. And yeah, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys need it or wanted, ask questions, comment, like, do whatever you need, but I'll be taking you through the whole day and whatever I'm going to be doing today. And maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to be doing my hair. As you see, it's going through the most, but I'm going to be doing my hair. So I don't know if you guys want to be part of that. I'll make you a part of that. So yeah, see you now. Hi once more, guys. So now I'm going to start organizing the spices, and yeah, enjoy.